everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Isibaya from the 1st to the 5th of February 2021 on Monday. Sihle is forced to make Fezile an offer. Mbombo set his sight on his romantic target whilst Sbu is still torn between two lovers on Tuesday. Mandla gives Ntwetle some hard advice for her own safety. Ntwetle gives Dabula an ultimatum and Mbombo's romantic exploits begin heating up on Wednesday. Mkabayi has a difficult ultimatum for Sbu. Meanwhile, Sbu's love life takes a shocking turn. Thokozani discovers a shocking fact about her family, and Dabula's plan to win Ntwetle back goes left quick on Thursday. Sbu stands his ground against the Zungus. Dabula learns about Mbovu's romantic interest. Mkabayi is forced to play mediator and put her foot down with Mpihlangene on Friday. Nolwandle makes a stand. Meanwhile, things between Sbu and Caesar intensify. Mkhanyi makes her true feelings known. Dabula employs Sadamu's help in identifying the rat in his kitchen. Guys, that is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, please let me know on the comment section. I will send you the link. Bye.